Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a system image in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then you need to go to run. Here on open field you need to type Ctrl and click OK. Now we need to go to system and security settings, and here we need to go to backup and restore Windows 7. Now we need to go to create a system image, and here you need to select when you want to save your backup. I recommend you to use for these DVDs if you have this possibility. If not, you can do it on a hard disk. So I select here this one disk, and then I go next. And here you have your backup settings. Remember that the backup could take up to more than 100 gigabytes of disk space. So I click start backup now, and after that saving the backup process will be successfully started in. Okay, how you see process has been successfully finished. Now you can create a system repair disk too if you want. I recommend you to click here yes, but I will not do it now, so I click no. Okay, so how you see system image has been successfully created here. So we need to click close button, and system image is now ready to use. So it's all for today. If I helped you, let me know in comment, and I encourage you to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.